Good morning, students. Today in SST we will go through the same chapter, that is chapter 5, the layers of the earth. I will explain you, or we will revise the whole question answers exercises of this chapter, like exercises choose the correct answers, fill in the blanks, and in short question answers and detailed question answers. Once again we will revise the whole thing, and I will take your revision test tomorrow. I will inform you in your group only. So I will talk about the the short question answers and the detailed one, and also the exercises also. And hope you have completed your detailed question answers which I had given you yesterday. Many of you have not shown me, so you can show it to me today also, and write it nicely in your SST fair copy. Okay, so I will today explain you all about the short question answers and detailed question answers. So let's get started, and you complete your diagrams. All your diagrams should be completed. In every chapter there are diagrams and map work in the first chapter, so you all complete that. Okay, and also the question answers and exercises. All the exercises you are going to do it in your SST book only. It will be in the book only. From there only you will learn it. Okay, so let's get started. So students, firstly the exercises we will go through. Fill in the blanks. The ozone layer protects us from the ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Okay, you have to write full. Ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Our environment is very dynamic. It is very big. Atmosphere is made up of gases. This is G, gases. Lithosphere consists of the crust. We have been able to discover 1.3 million species till date. Then choose the correct options. The outermost layer of the atmosphere is known as exosphere. The lithosphere has landforms. Water moves through the hydrosphere in a cycle. The earth can be divided into 4 realms or spheres. Realms means spheres. Then biosphere consists of all the living things on our planet. So these are the exercises. Now students, we will go through the question answers. So these are the chapter 5 question answers. Short question answer. Mention the 3 parts of the earth. So what are the 3 parts? The 3 parts of the earth are core. Core is the innermost part, very down part of the earth. Then mantle, middle part, and crust is the outermost part which you see on the earth, the soil. Then what is the basic component of biosphere? What is the basic features? The basic component of the biospheres are lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. Okay. Then what is environment? Everything that we have around us and all the resources that we use form our environment. Everything which you see around us, around you, is the environment, and whatever you use it, whatever resources you use it, minerals or anything you use it, that is your environment. Then list the realms of the earth. So there are 4 realms. Realms means spheres: hydrosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere and atmosphere. Then we come to the detailed question answer. Details means long question answers. Explain the features of the atmosphere. So what are the main points of the atmosphere? It is the layer where the various gases which are essential, which is very necessary for life, exist. Our atmosphere absorbs the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. It keeps the earth warm and saves us from extreme variation, extreme changes between day and night temperatures. Then how has biosphere brought about changes in the other 2 spheres? So second question is, how has it brought changes? So biosphere, where we live, biosphere is smaller than the other spheres of the earth, yet it has brought changes in other spheres. The present atmosphere, for example, is a result of the chemical activities carried out by the living beings. The fossil fuel in the lithosphere is formed by the decomposition of the dead organisms. Decomposition means सड़ जाता है जो dead body. So from that only we get the fossil fuel. Okay. Now, how was oxygen created in the atmosphere? How was it created? Earlier, oxygen was absent from our atmosphere. Earlier, there was no oxygen. As soon as the microorganisms, small bodies, microorganisms such as viruses and bacteria evolved, it came. They started converting carbon dioxide into oxygen, giving the present composition to our atmosphere. So, students, these were the short question answers. I hope you have done in your SST copy, and these are the detailed question answers, 3 question answers which I had given yesterday. So this should be in your SST copy plus your diagram, the 2 diagram which I had told you. Okay. Thank you.